Today's a quick short. It's everything that's in a 1200cc 40 horsepower kit from MOFOCo.com. Quick review. Again, we got 77mm pistons and barrels. The only thing I got on the box is it's AA. So I guess AA is the company, AA piston and liner. It does have an EMPI sticker on it. So originally coming from EMPI maybe. You do get, again, 4 OE rods, reground. We got an OE cam, an OE crank. We got the lifters from Rio, and I like it on here. It says the original orange box quality since 1946. And then silver line main bearings and rod bearings. An oil screen, again with an EMPI logo on it, assuming it's from EMPI. 8 push rod tubes and a gasket kit. Everything looks solid on the kit. So now we can get started, hopefully properly assembling this 1200cc 40 horsepower for my 65 VW Bug. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.